everyone, and welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a frothy milk. So let's get on with the video. What you'll be needing is some milk, a mug, a microwave, and a vanilla flavored syrup. And just for that, you will actually be needing 1 teaspoon to pour it in your warm milk. And then you'll need a frother. So as you can see, right now I have all my ingredients, and I'll be taking my milk and just pouring it into my mug. So that's it right here. Alright, so now let's bring it all the way to the microwave. Now you'll have to close that and set it for 60 seconds, also a minute, and start. A 5, a 4, a 3, a 2, a 1, and yay! Alright, so since it's done, let's take it out. So it was actually a little bit too warm, so I had to use this oven glove. So let's bring it back to the table. And now we'll be using our vanilla syrup, flavored syrup, and pour it into our 1 tablespoon. Now, while I'm pouring this, I actually just realized that I first called it a teaspoon before. It's actually a tablespoon. So, as you can see, I just filled it up right here. So that's how it looks. And just pour it all in. Now, I like using the same tablespoon to mix it all up. And now you'll be needing your frother. So your frother, you'll be making bubbles with it, so it'll make actually your frothy milk with this. So let's just put it in, and yeah. So that is the end of this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Hope you have a nice day.